Alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can see your password on Roblox mobile. Now the first thing that we want to do is just close out of the Roblox application. Now here we will open up our not computer but phone settings. So just click on settings. Now we will scroll down a little bit like this, and I'm going to use the search bar to search for password. Now we want to click on passwords, the one with the key icon like so. It's just gonna do Face ID here, and what we want to do, we just want to find where we have Roblox in this list. So for example right here, and once I click on it, it's gonna show us the passkey date of creation, so what date was created, and where it says password, if we just click on these on the field here for password, it's going to reveal the password itself. Now for me, I'm able to see a few dots here, which means that my password is here, but because of the protection, you're not able to see it when I'm casting this on my TV. But that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.